Good morning. It is Thursday, July 11th, 2019. Bitcoin is under a cloud of suspicion, but I think it's going higher from here. So it's time for our quick episode of the 24 Hours of Bitcoin. You can pause the video to read through the disclaimer. This isn't trading advice, just market observation. If you haven't already, be sure to head over to digitalcurrencytraders.com and sign up for the free chapter for my book. You'll also get on our email list for all sorts of promotions that are going on right now. First of all, we're looking at the 15-minute bar of Bitcoin, and I'd like to call your attention to the RSI here. 1, 2, 3 bottoms while we had 1, 2, 3 lows. That's a pretty strong divergence. Now we're getting strength out of the RSI as prices are building. So with a little wee 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern right here, prices breaking a bit higher, we've got a chance for a nested 1, 2, 3 reversal to continue going higher. And part of the reason I believe that that is going that way is because of how these indicators all play out. Here's the double bottom in the RSI while we had two lower lows here in the prices. Now RSI is building off a really nice level. It can go so much higher from this level. As prices are building out of this reversal on this important level, still looks great. Now, I want to go through a quick episode here today. Yesterday, I said I was going to go over what went on in the 2017 run up, but that was going to take some more preparation before I do that one. Here we have the on-balance volume where we have a dump here, less strong here, more strong here, which is bearish. And then it's flipped around and we're going up here. So this kind of supports the RSI divergence, but this is not bullish on its own. Now here we're looking at a pretty strong dump here, less strong here, less strong here. So this is the kind of turnaround you've got to see when prices are coming down and turning the other direction from a down move. So this is what I'm looking for here out of this, is that it's coming up yet. Let's go and take a look at the MACD indicator where we had the crossover to the positive here and then a higher low and a crossover here. So that we have the positive histogram out of this same formation on the 15-minute time frame is really key for a turnaround. When we step back to the 1 hour time frame, here is another really nice crossover in the MACD indicator, usually a leading indicator before the price goes. So I want to pay attention to that. Then finally, we're looking at the Ichimoku Cloud, and you can see that on the 15-minute time frame, it did go down below the cloud, but now it's poking up into the cloud. We're almost twisting positive. The conversion line has crossed above the baseline, so poking through this cloud as it's passing this resistance and the other indicators all supporting it, looks to me like Bitcoin is stepping up. And when we're just closing off here, Bitcoin dominance is still rising. The funny thing is, it's not funny, but the ironic thing is, I'll go to this chart, is that as Bitcoin prices were going up, most of the alts are going down. And then as Bitcoin started to crash, all the alts also went down further against Bitcoin. So it's kind of a double whammy for those who are still holding alts, where they are losing money here and then losing more money here as Bitcoin is really whipsawing the alts and just ratcheting up the Bitcoin dominance as we're going here. So again, I'm watching the Bitcoin dominance to see if we make a double top or continue higher, and I'll continue to watch for the double tops all the way along here. As for tomorrow's prediction, I believe that tomorrow we're going to see Bitcoin prices back testing the $13,000 level. We'll be back up into these levels and continuing to see a larger ascending wedge triangle build up here. A much larger ascending wedge triangle, and the longer term views of this chart really support that we've got a lot more uptrend coming in. So I'll be happy to watch for this ascending wedge triangle. Hopefully some of the alts make a bit of a bull move, a step up, as this is undecided here all the way along. It's going to be crazy as we watch this setup, and then I think it's going up from here. That's it for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys who find me on the live stream when I randomly put it out. High five. I will see you all next time. Cheers, Professor Wally. I will dig into that analysis of what all these indicators did on the uptrend in 2017, because it's key for understanding what's consolidating and what's coming up next in today's runs. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos here on YouTube, you may also enjoy my newsletter. Begin by downloading the most important trading strategy we teach. And then, once a week, I send out an inspiring email about making your money work for you by micro-trading cryptocurrencies. You can sign up for that over at digitalcurrencytraders.com. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.